Hi, my name is Cole Britt, and I will be doing Singapore again for the 5G section of the course. So what is 5G? 5G has a peak speed of 20 gigs per second, which is faster than the more connection-oriented 4G. 5G exploits cloud technologies and virtualized software-driven networks. 5G networks will create a software-defined subnet called network slices. Slices can then enable network admin to dictate how the network works based on user needs and the devices they use. 5G can help numerous industries by providing better network speeds for critical information that can be life-saving or money-making depending on the use case. In May of 2021, Singapore Telecom launched its first standalone 5G network, which delivered twice the responsiveness, 30% faster uploads, and strengthened authentication and encryption techniques. So who's using 5G? Currently, Singapore is still in the rollout phase of 5G, much like the rest of the world, but is hoping to see widespread adoption by the end of 2022, if not earlier. Since Singapore is a very technology-oriented westernized country, almost all of their population are potential future users of 5G. There are not any negative impacts of 5G other than the possible extra cost of a 5G-enabled device. Current job opportunities with 5G in Singapore are general install and upkeep of 5G towers and tech. In the future, we would see similar job opportunities as well. A job in the 5G world would be a 5G technician. So that's design and maintenance of telecom devices and services. Oftentimes, a certification is required to be a tech, and in some cases, college degrees depending on the company and specific job title. Average salary is around $78K a year. After some time in the field, you could move to upper level management of other 5G tech and grow in the field itself. Where are they using 5G? Being that Singapore is, as a whole, is the size of a small island, if you have a device or cellular plan that would allow you to sign up for the current beta happening, you would most likely be able to use it. The top three applications that interest me in health are healthcare, manufacturing, and the automotive industry. Healthcare is using 5G to more quickly and safely transfer patient data. Manufacturing is relying on these faster network communications to power their operations, and automotive is using 5G to enhance self-driving capabilities by allowing self-driving cars to quote-unquote talk to one another while on the road. So why are they using 5G? So the strengths, 5G is faster and safer than previous 4G LTE connection that is widespread today. A weakness of 5G is it is more expensive, and many people would have to buy or exchange their current devices for a new device that is 5G enabled, that has the tech to actually utilize the 5G network. Opportunities. Singapore is on the forefront of technology, much like the rest of the westernized world. They will use 5G to enhance the lives of all those in Singapore. For threats, there's 5G enhances the reality that landlines and or cable is starting to go away in much of the world. Physical cables are always faster, but in many cases, it's just easier to use wireless. When are they using 5G? I see the mass adoption of 5G within the next 2 or 3 years. The biggest barrier to mass adoption is the generations of devices that still use, that did not support 5G currently. Once those are phased out and consumers phase into new devices, more and more people will begin using 5G inherently. How to apply for 5G or how to apply 5G for SDGs in Singapore. 5G can help provide a quality education by giving students better access to the web in more places and with more reliability. It can also help industry, innovation, and infrastructure by giving companies the ability to transfer data quicker and more securely. So 2 truths and a lie. Singapore has some 5G in place. All of Singapore's wireless is 5G, and many consumers in Singapore do not yet have access to 5G. Thank you.